Yes, start. The main objective behind this article is neither to favor the prevalence of feminism nor to be criticizing about the chauvinism. Stop. The focal point of this article is to promote equality. Stop. In today's scenario, the empowerment of women has become one of the most important concerns of 21st century. Stop. Para. But practically, women empowerment is still an illusion of reality. Stop. We observe in our day to day life how women become victimized by various social evils. Stop. Women empowerment is the vital instrument to expand women's ability to have resources and to make strategic life choices. Stop. Empowerment of women is essentially the process of upliftment of economic, social, and political status of women, the traditionally underprivileged ones in the society. Stop. It is the process of guarding them against all forms of violence. Stop. Women empowerment is giving legitimate power or authority to perform the tasks. Stop. Nowadays, women are increasingly gaining control over their lives and are actively taking their own decisions with regard to their education, career, profession, and lifestyle stages. Women have demanded equality with men in matters of education, employment, inheritance, marriage, and politics, and recently in the field of religion also to serve as priest. Stop. Also, women need to be given equal opportunities for education and employment without any sense of discrimination. Stop. Women empowerment is essential for the betterment of any country's future as they play dual responsibilities of managing their families while simultaneously juggling to earn to contribute in fulfilling their family needs. Stop. No one can ever ignore the importance of the role of a mother, sister, or a daughter in their families. Stop. At the same time, women have also established themselves as equal contributors in managing the financial requirements of their homes. Stop. On international level as well, women have successfully created their unbeatable position, but they are just a handful in comparison to their counterparts. Para. Women empowerment is not limited to urban, and even women in remote towns and villages are now increasingly making their voices heard loud and clear in society. Stop. While it is true that women to a large extent do not face discrimination in society today, unfortunately, many of them face exploitation and harassment, which can be of diverse types: emotional, physical, mental, and sexual. Stop. They are often subjected to rape, abuse, and other forms of physical and intellectual violence. Stop. Women are now claiming the socio-political rights bracket start right to work, right to education, right to decide, etc. bracket close for them. Stop. The Parliament of India too has passed various legislations to save women from various forms of injustice and discrimination. Stanza. To empower women, there are some following laws: Equal Remuneration Act 1976, Dowry Prohibition Act 1961, Immoral Traffic within bracket Prevention Act 1956, Medical Termination of Pregnancy Act 1971, Maternity Benefit Act 1961, Commission of Sati within bracket Prevention Act 1987, Prohibition of Child Marriage Act 2006, Preconception and Prenatal Diagnostic Techniques bracket start Regulation and Prevention of Misuse bracket close Act 1994 and Sexual Harassment of Women at Workplace bracket start Prevention, Protection and bracket close Act 1923 full stop. More recently, in the wake of Nirbhaya case involving the rape and brutal murder of paramedical student in Delhi, the government has passed the Juvenile Justice bracket start Care and Protection of Children bracket close Bill 2015 stop over.